Hey everyone, my name's Dave Greco and I'm a senior character concept artist at Blizzard Entertainment on the World of Warcraft team, and this is my concept art course. For this course, I want to go through the entire production of how I handle concept art with almost every single task that I have to do at the studio. We're going to go over thumbnailing and where we take those thumbnails into more kind of defined sketches. We're going to look at some of the proportions, what makes a character really stand out. What makes a character unique from all the other games that exist out there. We're going to be having assignments, so you're going to work on your own characters. And I have all the assignments written as if they're being presented to you from a designer in the studio already. So it'll be like you're actually getting an assignment for a real working position. I think one of the most important things everybody's going to take away from this course is kind of how to approach your work and how to prepare your portfolio for entering into the field. I think creativity in your character design is one of the most important things in how you can adapt it to work with the design team and with the art team. So we're going to learn a lot of those skills, and I think it's going to really show in so much of the work that you produce for your portfolio, having that process of sketches where you took one idea and developed it into another and then presented it into a final painting. What does a concept artist actually do, especially in a game studio? You have the first look of what something could be that only exists in somebody else's head. So whether it's quick sketches, color studies, anything that could be assigned to the concept artist. Or you're going into more detail and figuring out actually specific things that need to get modeled. Whether it's characters, props, piece of the environment. I've been doing concept art for close to about 20 years in the industry, and the fundamentals have never really changed. The same ideas and how you bring them from your brain onto a paper, even if it's digital paper, all remain the same. Whether you're just doing freelance painting or just character design for your D&D campaign. A lot of these same elements just make you kind of think outside the box of what you can do with character development. So I think this is really open to anybody. So within this course, I'm going to be painting digitally. I paint on a Cintiq in Photoshop. You're not required to have either of those. You don't need to have Photoshop. You could have any painting program. They all work fantastic. That is going to be something we're focused on quite a bit within this course, is painting digitally. So you might want to have at least your feet wet on kind of how that works. So there will be assignments given throughout these videos, and we will have critiques as well. And so in the critique videos, we'll all kind of learn together what we're doing differently from every single person that's attending the course and what we can learn from it. You kind of stand alone on any project as a concept artist. It's kind of like a really tight bubble where you're working with the art director and the writers, which is like a really great place to be. So you're not only influencing just the modelers, the other artists, the designers take a ton of information away from what you paint into their process as well. If you're interested in this course, go to proko.com/Greco and I'll see you on over there.